Welcome back to another rip. On this break, we are breaking 1994 Generation Extreme Sports Trading Cards. This is where you can pull the rookie card of Tony Hawk. That's right, the Birdman, the most famous skateboarder in the world. Tony Hawk's rookie cards can be pulled from this product, but not only Tony Hawk. We're talking Matt Hoffman, Dave Mirra, all kinds of extreme sports rookie cards can be pulled from this box. So without any further ado, let's get to cracking and pull some Tony Hawk rookies. Whoa, yeah! All right, let's get to ripping here. There are 24 packs in this box. 1994 Generation Extreme Sports Trading Cards. Here we go. We are looking for the Tony Hawk rookie card. Packs kind of disintegrate. They are quite a bit old. All right. Here we go. We'll show you the back of the card. There we go. Pretty cool. There's a color photo of each competitor on the back, a little bio. Very nice. So we are looking for the Tony Hawk rookie card. We're looking for the Dave Mirra rookie card and the Matt Hoffman rookie card. Now there are lots of others. I am not exactly familiar with everyone, but we're going to have some fun. As I mentioned in a previous video, I like to bust things that not everyone else does. So to me, that's part of the fun. Busting stuff that you've never done before. Pretty cool. All right, moving right along. This will be a 4-part series. Make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. Drop a comment and let me know your favorite card we pulled from this break. Here we go. The photos are amazing. Super cool. Crazy, man. Do you remember the early to mid 90s? Do you remember how popular the word extreme was? It was everywhere. You could not escape it. Extreme and barbed wire tattoos. Gotta love the 90s, man. All right, moving on. Pack number 3. Right there. Look at that. That's it. Oh my God. That is so cool. I am so happy to have pulled the Tony Hawk rookie card. So cool. Let's check out the back. Right there. Tony Hawk rookie card. Very, very cool. Look how young he is, man. So cool. Right there. Tony Hawk rookie card. Boom. Very nice. Let's see if we can't pull some more. All right. Very happy with that one. Let's get this in a sleeve and get it right dead center right there. Boom. All right. We've got the Tony Hawk rookie front and center. Let's see if we can't get lucky and pull some more. We're also looking for the Dave Mirra rookie card and the Matt Hoffman rookie card. Absolute legends in their field. Photography is absolutely stunning. Very, very cool. Awesome. Moving right along, we are down to 2 packs on this first part of a 4-part series of 1994 Generation Extreme. Snowboarders, skiers, surfers, you name it, man. Were you into extreme sports when you were a kid? Did you have a BMX bike that you rode around your neighborhood? Were you a skateboarder? Are you still a skateboarder? I would be impressed, man. I've seen some nasty spills, and I never was one to try to do any of that stuff. All right, this one is not cooperating at all, so we are going to try an alternate method. There we go. All right, let's continue the rip here. Wow, look at that. Wow. Amazing. Wow. No, thank you. Maybe. There it is, I believe, yes. Matt Hoffman rookie card. Very, very cool. BMX legend. Upside down. There we go. Matt Hoffman rookie card. I wonder if that is supposed to be like that. I'll have to check. Anyway, there's the Matt Hoffman rookie. All right, moving right along. That is the end of part 1 of our 4-part series of 1994 Generation Extreme. We hit the Tony Hawk rookie card. Very happy about that. And we just hit the Matt Hoffman. Make sure you watch parts 2, 3, and 4 of this 4-part series.